In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Xbox controller to MacBook Air. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use any Xbox controller model that you have with your MacBook Air. This is going to work regardless of the chip, so M1, M2, M3, and such, and this is also going to work likewise for any Xbox controller that you have, so old models or newer ones. As long as it has the wireless connection mode, you will be able to use it completely wirelessly. So you can choose between a wired or wireless connection. First, I'm going to showcase wireless. It is what I recommend and the one most suited to be used on a MacBook Air. So all that you have to do is enable Bluetooth. So go over to the settings on your MacBook Air, access the Bluetooth category, and in here, make sure that it is enabled. With this done, you just have to press the connect button on the Xbox controller. So usually this is going to be a button on the top of the controller like this, and when you press this button, it is going to be listed under the recognizable devices. As soon as you choose it from the list of available devices, it is going to remain connected, and you will be able to now open any game that supports controller inputs. If you notice that when the controller is connected through Bluetooth, nothing happens inside of the game, it could mean that that specific game does not support controllers. So the support for controllers will be done on a game-per-game basis. If you notice that this isn't working, make sure that the controller is sufficiently charged. Of course, there is also the option to use a wired connection, so if you want, plug one end of a cable, usually USB-C, into the controller, and then the other one into your MacBook Air. So choose whichever option you prefer. You can either use a wired connection or wireless by pressing the connect button. And as soon as it appears under the list of nearby devices, you can connect into the controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xbox controller to MacBook Air. If this video helps you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.